Hey friends, it's Aixa and I am finally back. I'm hoping so, fingers crossed. Actually, no, I am making a promise. And I just want to show you real quick what comes in the June subscription because there's only 10 days left and they start mailing very soon after. So just want to show y'all what's included. I am in love with this month's theme. This that I'm showing you here is the vertical kit. It also comes in a horizontal and a classic happy planner. This right here is the checklist. Look at how stunning this bottom washi is. I'm just in love with this ocean theme art we got going on, and I'll actually show you how it all came about on my iPad, like how we ended up designing most of these little things, especially these little guys. They're my favorite. Oh, here's Rambo popping on in here. Let's see how far I can get without him interrupting us. New this month is the Hobonichi Weeks option. So if you leave this in a note, you get this 4-page kit instead of the regular vertical, horizontal, or happy planner. So this is page 1. It has so many boxes, y'all, and then also open boxes. In case you want to switch, I don't think you can use all of these boxes in one single spread, but hey, you might prove me wrong. Then you get this sheet with date covers, bottom washi, more washi, and you do get 2 date covers, so you can easily get more than just one spread out of this. Here you have weekend banner checklist, little sticky note boxes that are really cute. And then these dividers, which are like my favorite thing in the world. And here you have long strips, some more quarter boxes or half boxes, quarter boxes, habit trackers, and then just more like little things that you use on a weekly basis. So that is it for the kits. You also get 2 sticker samplers. So this one right here is this beautiful blue ultramarine foiled one, and this right here are checklists, and I'm obsessed with these checklists. So pretty. And then of course you get the bow, because the bow actually comes, you'll see it in a few different places throughout the June subscription. But yeah, look how pretty. And then this is just my favorite freebie ever. Look at all that cute deco inside this turtle. I'm just obsessed with this. Then you get, like I mentioned, you get a little bow decal in this hollow pixie foil. It is just so gorgeous. And let me show you what I have planned to do with it. So you also get these 2 journaling cards. We usually just include one, but I was just really feeling this theme and I wanted this to be one of the scenes on the card. And then I also just wanted to put a quote on this, so I couldn't decide. So both, you're getting both. I'm just so obsessed with these foiled shells. I really like how they looked here, so I just wanted to include them in here with a little quote or just like a word that says salty. So cute. And it's the same hollow pixie foil as this. So I was thinking about taking this decal and putting it right here, and that would make such a cute dashboard, a page marker, like it would look so cute. Then you get a small die cut pack with all the little characters and a little shell. This crab is so cute, the turtle, the fish, and I'm missing the narwhal, but y'all know this is a narwhal. Ooh, and the kitty. Ooh, I should print the little kitty out too. All right, so we'll include also the kitty and the narwhal. So you have 2 more die cuts here. Oh, Rambo, come on, I'm so close to being done. Okay, and then the washi. So this is what, the 3rd month in a row that we have exclusive washi. Like, look how beautiful this is. I'm just obsessed with this art. So it starts out very dark over here, the background, and then it gets lighter and lighter and lighter, and it just has all these little seashells and plants and then bubbles with the little bows. So that is so cute. And let me go get my iPad to show y'all how this all came about, how we started it, and just pretty much the process. So I'll be right back. All right, so We usually start out with just a blank canvas, like literally nothing on there, and then here is where you can see all of our little doodles, how it all gets started. So this is how we did like the little characters. Oops, I'm drawing on it by mistake. The little characters. Then here, just do plants. And down here, I was working on some like corner themes, which is how the full boxes ended up like being a thing. So this full box, this right here is this. And then this little corner one is actually both of these. And so yeah, let me see if I can show y'all a video of it. Just how it all turned out. So I mess around with colors, and then I mess around with a lot of the shapes and doodles. So here is me just filling out the shells because I had to get the washi done, and then just messing with colors and then the characters and scenes and everything. So everything starts out with this like sketchy kind of red pencil, and then I went over it with color. I think I was using one of the paint brushes, not the airbrush that I usually use for my black outlines, but just another, like a painting one, because I added some shadows here and there. And so that is how it has all turned out. Now we'll let this play through for you guys if you want to see. But other than this, like this is everything you get in this month. You get the washi tape, the full kit, the vinyl bow, 2 cards, the foiled stickers, sampler stickers, the deco stickers, and the pack of die cuts. And the last day to sign up for this box is June 10th. So make sure you check out our website, which I will link below. And I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video and this playthrough of how it all got designed. That is it, you guys. I'll see you very soon. Bye.